for dengue, we are going to be detecting either NS1 antigen or antibodies IgM and IgG in a patient's serum or blood. For this particular tutorial, we'll be using the test kit named Dengue Day 1 test kit, which can detect all three entities in the same test kit. First of all, after centrifuging the blood, we're going to pipette out the serum, either using the pipette that has been provided from the test kit, or with the help of a micropipette, we are going to pipette out 70 microliter of serum. And we're going to add the serum into the sample window of the test kit. One for the NS1 antigen and another for the IgM and IgG antigen. To be noted, in this particular test kit, there are two sample window pads. After adding serum into the sample window, we're going to wait up to 20 minutes before interpretation of the result. Here, we do not use any buffer solution to be added in the test kit. Within 20 minutes, we're going to read the result and interpret. Interpretation of the result. For valid tests, there should appear colored line at the control region. If there's no colored line appearance at the control region, the test is invalid and needs to be repeated with a new test kit from the same box or from a different box using the same sample. For valid test, colored line will appear at the control region and at the region designated NS1. This is for the interpretation for NS1 antigen. For antibodies, we are going to look at the control region again to see if the test is valid or not. If the colored line appears at the control region, it is valid. If the colored line do not appear at the control region, then it's invalid once again, despite appearance of colored lines at other regions. For negative tests, only one colored line will appear at the control region. If the sample is positive for IgM antibodies, a colored line will appear only at the region designated IgM. If the sample is positive for IgG antibodies, then colored line will appear only at the IgG region, including colored line at the control region. I would like to repeat, for all valid tests, colored line has to appear at the control region.